Hello, today let's repair this car bumper using the HG Power Glue. This is a really cool thing because this can fix all kind of plastic stuff out there easily. We have a granulate and an adhesive. First step is we have to prepare the area where we like to fix it by using a sandpaper and something else. It has to be clean, it has to be sanded, and it has to be, of course, grease-free, fat-free, and so on. And then we can apply the adhesive and the granulate to it. And in a couple of seconds, it will be fixed. After this process, we can grind it into the right shape we like. Job's done. First step, the adhesive. We remove the upper section of the sealing cap. We do not cut off the tip of the adhesive. Important is to ensure the tip of the adhesive does not become dirty and contaminate. And we wipe off the adhesive residue after use on a blank sheet or a paper. The red dot on the tip has no function for it. This is a question a lot of people have because of the red dot. But this is only design on this, because it's HG Power Glue. On the granulate, we remove the yellow lead, threaded, and carefully cut off the very top section of the tip. And then, as you can see, you can fix nearly everything by using these two parts of it, the adhesive and the granulate. Of course, you can start with the granulate first and then add the adhesive on top. This will build up a plastic area to make a new shape of the device, which is broken, for example. Drop only 1 or 2 drops on top of the granulate with the adhesive and let it chill for 1 minute. After this 1 minute, you are able to form the new by using a sandpaper or something else with a machine or by hand to fix the problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.